Hello everyone and welcome to our SQL Full Tutorial, Part 1. This session will guide you through the basics of SQL, focusing on database engineering and coding. Let's embark on this educational journey to enhance your SQL skills step by step. SQL is a language in its own right, with no strict rules for writing queries. However, readability is key. Use uppercase for SQL keywords and lowercase for identifiers. Proper formatting, such as separating query elements and using indentation, is recommended for clarity. When writing SQL queries, readability is crucial. Consider these examples. The first is compact, the second is structured, and the third is highly organized. Which do you find most readable? The most readable query is the third one. It is well structured, with clear separation of elements and proper indentation. This format aids in understanding and maintaining complex SQL queries efficiently. Comments in SQL are essential for clarity. Use line comments for brief notes and block comments for detailed explanations. Proper commenting practices enhance code readability and facilitate collaboration among team members. An important note on comments. Some database engines use them for hints, especially in Oracle. This can optimize query performance. Understanding how comments function in different systems is crucial for effective database management. SQL commands are categorized into 4 types: DDL for defining structures, DML for data manipulation, DCL for access control, and TCL for transaction management. Each plays a vital role in database operations. SQL is divided into 4 subsets. DDL commands like create and grop define structures. DML commands such as select and insert manipulate data. Understanding these subsets is fundamental for effective database management. DCL commands like grant and revoke control data access. TCL commands manage transactions, ensuring data integrity. Mastery of these commands is essential for secure and efficient database operations. Data retrieval in SQL is achieved using the select command. It allows reading from tables and executing functions. Mastering select syntax is crucial for effective data manipulation and analysis. Column expressions in SQL are lists of expressions separated by commas. They can be constants, column references, or operations. Understanding expressions is key to crafting precise and efficient queries. Expressions in SQL can be simple or complex, involving constants, columns, and operations. Arithmetic operators are common for numeric data, while concatenation is used for strings. Mastery of expressions enhances query functionality. Examples of column expressions include constants and column references. The wildcard asterisk selects all columns. Understanding these examples is vital for efficient data retrieval and manipulation in SQL. Column expressions can also involve operations such as addition or subtraction. These operations allow for dynamic data manipulation, enhancing the flexibility and power of SQL queries. Let's apply our knowledge with practice. We'll execute SQL queries using tools like Beaver or pAdmin on a PostgreSQL database. Practical application solidifies understanding and hones your SQL skills.
Let's go and see together how it works in practice. For this demonstration, I'm using a PostgreSQL database called DVD Rental, made up of about 15 tables. First step, we're going to run some basic SQL queries with the select command, and this time without using any where or order by clauses. I'll start with the film table. Take a good look at the result. All the fields of the table are displayed thanks to the wildcard asterisk, but be careful, we don't have to show everything every time. We can also choose a partial display by selecting only certain columns from the table. Now let's move on to the actor table, selecting only 3 fields. And here's the result. Then I can query the category table by choosing only 2 fields. By the way, there's another way to do this, by specifying the table name directly in the query, which gives exactly the same result.
Thank you for joining our SQL tutorial. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Please like and subscribe for more content on database engineering and coding. Stay tuned for the next session.